Looking to quickly save money? Eliminating these 5 expenses could help you uncover hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars annually. Welcome to Money Gainers Hub, the channel where smart money moves become simple. We break down personal finance wisdom, including earning, saving, wealth building, and investing into powerful and practical tips, so you can make smarter money moves fast. Grab your notebook, get focused, and let's unlock your next financial breakthrough starting right now. Many people are unaware of their unnecessary spending. The reality is that building wealth isn't solely about increasing your income. It's primarily about retaining more of it. In this video, we will discuss 5 typical areas where you might be overspending. By cutting back or finding alternatives, you can reroute those funds toward important goals, such as saving, investing, or reducing debt. Area number 1, subscription overload. We'll begin with a significant but quiet money drainer, subscription overload. Services like Netflix, Spotify, Disney+, Amazon Prime, or gym memberships can pile up quickly. Consider this. Do I use this service weekly? If the answer is no, cancel it. You can always subscribe again later. Utilize budgeting apps such as Rocket Money or Pocket Guard to spot recurring charges and help terminate forgotten subscriptions. Even eliminating 3 or 4 unused subscriptions could save you $50, $100 monthly, adding up to over $1,000 annually. Area number 2, paying for brand names. Top brands invest millions in marketing to make you believe their product is superior. However, often, the generic option is just as good. For example, store brands for over-the-counter medications, pantry essentials, and cleaning supplies frequently use the same ingredients and production methods. If you buy branded cereal, it may cost $6, while the store brand is just $3. So, the savings for nearly identical products are substantial. Hence, try switching to generic for a month. You might be surprised at how quickly the savings accumulate. Area number 3, takeout, delivery, and coffee runs. While takeout is convenient, the hidden expenses can quickly add up, such as delivery fees, service charges, driver tips. So, a $12 pizza can unexpectedly go up to $25. And don't you overlook those coffee runs? Spending $5 on a latte each weekday totals $100 a month. So, what's the solution? Master 3 to 5 quick recipes and brew your coffee at home. Use meal planning apps like MeLime or budget cookbooks like $5 dinners. Start gradually. By skipping delivery twice a week, you might save $200 monthly or more. Area number 4, upgrading tech too often. Is it truly necessary to purchase the latest iPhone or tablet each year? Tech companies promote these as essential upgrades. However, last year's model often meets most people's needs perfectly. Consider buying gently used or certified refurbished gadgets. So look at websites like Backmarket, Swappa, or Amazon Renewed. This approach can save you hundreds and reduce electronic waste, plus many refurbished devices come with warranties. Area number 5, interest on credit card debt. This is the priciest item on our list. If you're carrying a balance, your credit card issuer may be charging you 18 to 25% interest monthly. For instance, with $3,000 on your card, you might be paying $600 to $800 annually in interest. Here's what you should do. Number 1, stop accruing new charges. 2, aim to pay more than the minimum due. 3, apply the avalanche method. So, prioritize paying off the card with the highest interest rate. If your credit score permits, consider transferring your balance to a card with a 0% introductory APR. A bonus tip for you. Ever entered a store intending to buy toothpaste but left with $70 in snacks, candles, and gadgets? Impulse purchases are often encouraged by store layouts. How to fix it? Always shop with a list and avoid shopping while hungry or emotional. Implement a 24-hour rule. So wait a day before buying anything over $30. You may find that the urge dissipates. You don't need to embrace extreme frugality. Simply be deliberate with your finances. By cutting or replacing these 5 to 6 expenditures, you might save $300, $500 monthly. That amounts to $6,000 annually, enough for a vacation, emergency fund, or your initial investment. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone looking to manage their finances better. And leave a comment. What's the #1 expense you believe you waste money on?